Today we're going to take a quick look at the AMPROAD 4000A Multifunction Jump Starter. The battery in this truck has been run down significantly, as can be seen by this battery test. And turning the key doesn't do much. When that happens, it's good to have a jump starter you can count on. Simply plug it in. Attach the clamps to the vehicle battery and make sure you have voltage right here. And turn the key. The jump starter is also equipped with an emergency LED flashlight that acts as an SOS. And a strobe. Last, it provides for DC voltage out and charging ports for your electronic devices. The AMPROAD 4000A Multifunction Jump Starter is powerful, easy to use, and great for emergencies. Finally, it's very nicely packaged and built to last. I hope you enjoyed this video on the AMPROAD 4000A Multifunction Jump Starter. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.